Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, these are the backlights of a 32-inch LED TV. Here in this TV, there are total 3 LED strips. From these 3 LED strips, one of the LED strip is not working. So to avoid future repetition in backlight related faults, here we replace the entire LED strip with new one. See friends, here among these 3, only 2 LED strip is working. So instead of these LED strips, here we installed 3 new LED strip of same voltage. Here each individual LED is of 3 volt and there are total 6 LEDs in one strip. So here we replace this old LED with new LED strip to avoid future repetition in backlight related fault. So now the next step is to fix this LED properly. See friends, now the reflector sheets are fitted properly. While fitting the diffuser sheet, here you can see some black mark on the diffuser sheet. So using a wet cloth, we can remove this black mark on this sheet. It's because of LED overheating is the reason for these types of black marks. So we can clean it slowly by wiping using a wet cloth. So now we can put the panel back to TV. See friends, here we finally connected LVD's cables and all sockets. Here you can see now the TV is released from the standby. Now the backlight comes and the TV is working properly. So here we repaired the TV by replacing the entire backlight. Now to increase the lifetime of LED backlight, we need to enter into service mode. In service mode, we need to reduce the backlight voltage. We need to maintain the backlight level minimum 40% to maximum of 60 to 70%. So now in this condition, now we can put the back cover and all screws back to TV. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you another with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.